I came along today because I am very passionate about building resilience and optimism within our team and the people that I interact with at work.
I came along today because I wanted to learn more about mental health and resilience. We have a demographic of our workforce that is predominantly young females. I'm seeing mental health being a space that we really need to develop some strategies around within the workforce.
It's helped me understand the benefits of creating a resilient team, but most importantly it's given me some of the tools that I need to be able to start creating that resilience within the team.
One of the activities we did was looking at what our strengths were, and there was an area where I have to execute and do stuff that I don't, I'm not a technical expert, I'm not an engineer, but by applying my learning strength, by finding out more about how it all works, then I can implement it more easily.
Oh, really interesting. I love the way he's drawn from so many different areas, really knows his stuff and really brought it together in a manner that's easy for people to understand and definitely to relate to.
Very intelligent guy that obviously knows a hell of a lot about mental health, and obviously been through some of the things he's been through, is able to talk about it from his own personal perspective, but also, extremely knowledgeable in everything that he talks about.
Really engaging, great stories and very practical application that you can immediately see and make a difference.
HR professionals will get a lot out of this particular workshop, but then also any manager, anyone that's managing a tribe and looking to get good results out of their team, which is any manager really.
I think it would be great for managers, team leaders, supervisors, people in that space. I also think it'd be very valuable for senior managers and senior executives to really gain a real understanding of mental health, rather than just having that overview of, oh yeah, I understand what it is, for them to gain some strategies as well around, what you can do in that space.
Everyone. But primarily, say, in my work context, we've got a lot of new teams starting, so there's new managers. So I would suggest that they, or at least their teams, come along to find out what are the strengths and how can they better work together from the get-go before they set in place, bad habits or this misunderstanding, because I think it would just optimise the way in which they work from the beginning.